The capital, on the other hand, is full of people. Top bureaucrats, scientists, policy and lawmakers have convened for a meeting of the Coronavirus Coordination Committee, headed by President Recep Tayyip Erdogan.
When we evaluate the current situation, Turkey seems to be in the best position, followed by Germany. But the UK and France are in an unpleasant situation, which cannot be compared to ours.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ilaa iyo December 31 2019 sanadkii tagay markii uu cudurka loo yaqaano COVID-19 kuna caan baxay coronavirus laga ogaaday dalka Shiinaha inuu ka dilaacay waxa sii kordhay xawliga uu ku faafay cudurkaas. Xogtii ugu dambeysay waxay sheegaysaa inuu saameeyay cudurkan dalal kor u dhaafaya 150. Isla markaasna dadka uu saameeyay iyagu naftigoodu ay gaarayaan 157,000. Ilaa hadda waxaa la xaqiiqsaday hal case oo dalkeena ahna muwaadin Soomaaliyeed. Waxa xanuunkan qatartiisu uu gaarsiisan yahay meel aad iyo aad u sarreysa. Khatarna ugu jira wadamo badan uu gaari karo. Ilaahay waxaan ka baryaynaa inuu cudurka naga badbaadiyo qof kasta oo Soomaaliyeed iyo culumaduna inay duceeyaan oo Ilaahay la baryo inuu cudurkan naga badbaadiyo.
Earlier today, Ministers Blair, Hajdu and Garneau announced that Canada has advised Canadians to curtail non-essential international travel and that the cruise season is suspended until July, and that we are bringing in additional screening measures at airports. We are also streamlining overseas arrivals to be better positioned for screening. Yesterday, we saw many provinces take strong steps to keep people safe. They are doing what needs to be done to protect the public, and I want to thank them for their exemplary work. Later today, I will have a call with the premiers and Indigenous leaders to discuss the latest developments and coordinate our efforts, including the over $1 billion COVID-19 response fund, which provides money to the provinces and territories to support preparation and mitigation. These are significant steps, and we will do more. The provinces and territories are facing various levels of risk, but we will make sure that we align our response across the country. Addressing COVID-19 must be a Team Canada effort. To keep Canadians safe, to mitigate the economic impacts of the virus, all levels of government are working together. We are talking regularly. We are coordinating our efforts. We're following the situation very closely, and we're pulling out all the stops. I know that you're worried. You're worried about your health, about your family's health.
A call with President Xi of China, a very good relationship. No, I didn't like when they came up, and it wasn't him, somebody at a lower level, mid-level, we found out pretty much, but they made a statement that our soldiers brought it into China. No, it came from China. I talk about the Chinese virus, and I mean it, that's where it came from. You know, if you look at Ebola, if you look at all Lyme, right, Lyme, Connecticut, you look at all these different horrible diseases, they seem to come with the name, with the location. And this was the Chinese virus. But I don't have to say it. If they feel so strongly about it, we'll see.
Buenas tardes, estimados compatriotas. En el día de hoy acabo de comunicar al jefe del Estado la celebración mañana de un Consejo de Ministros extraordinario para decretar el estado de alarma en todo nuestro país, en toda España, durante los próximos 15 días. El estado de alarma es un instrumento de nuestro Estado de Derecho, recogido por nuestra Constitución, para enfrentar crisis tan extraordinarias como la que desgraciadamente está sufriendo el mundo y también nuestro país. La emergencia sanitaria y social generada por el coronavirus, el conocido como COVID-19, crea circunstancias extraordinarias como las que la ley contempla para dotar al Gobierno de España de recursos legales también extraordinarios. En la reunión prevista para mañana, el Consejo de Ministros extraordinario adoptará un conjunto de decisiones excepcionales al amparo de la declaración del estado de alarma que se va a decretar mañana. Estas decisiones estarán orientadas a movilizar todos los recursos del conjunto del Estado para proteger mejor la salud de todos los ciudadanos.
I've developed mild symptoms of the coronavirus, that's to say a temperature and a persistent cough, and on the advice of the Chief Medical Officer, I've taken a test that has come out positive.
Françaises, Français,
French
mes
men
chers
and women,
compatriotes.
fellow citizens.
Depuis quelques semaines, notre pays
For
fait
some
face
weeks
à la
now, our
propagation
country
d'un
has been
virus,
facing the spread of a
le
virus,
COVID-19, qui a touché
COVID-19.
plusieurs milliers de nos compatriotes.
It has infected a number,
Et bien entendu,
a few
ce
thousand
soir, avant toute
fellow
chose, une
citizens.
pensée émue et
And this
chaleureuse
evening, I want to share
pour
with
les
you
familles et
how
les proches de nos
my thoughts
victimes,
go out to the families and friends
Cette
of those who are
épidémie
affected.
qui affecte
This
tous les
epidemic
continents.
has touched
frappe
all
tous les
continents of the
pays
world
européens.
and is affecting
Et la
all
plus grave
European
crise
countries.
sanitaire
It is one of
qu'ait
the
connue la
most
France
serious health
depuis
crises that France has ever known for
Dans
a
l'immense
century now.
majorité des cas,
In a
le
large
COVID-19
number
est
of
sans
cases,
danger.
COVID-19
Mais
is
le
of no
virus peut
grave
avoir des
danger.
conséquences très graves,
Yet,
en
it can have
particulier
very
pour
serious
celles et ceux de nos
consequences,
compatriotes
especially for those
qui sont
men
âgés
and women
ou affectés
in France
par des
who are
maladies
elderly
chroniques,
or who are
comme
suffering
le
from chronic
diabète,
disease, such
l'obésité
as
ou le cancer.
diabetes, obesity, or cancer.
Durant plusieurs semaines,
La decisione giusta oggi è di restare a casa. Il futuro nostro dell'Italia è nelle nostre mani e queste mani devono essere mani responsabili, oggi più che mai. Ognuno deve fare la propria parte ed è per questo quindi che da oggi varranno su tutto il territorio della penisola queste misure che noi abbiamo già predisposto per la parte settentrionale, come sapete, Lombardia più provincia, in più province, giusto qualche giorno fa. Purtroppo tempo non ce n'è. I numeri ci dicono che stiamo avendo una crescita importante dei contagi, delle persone ricoverate in terapia intensiva e subintensiva e anche, ahimè, delle persone decedute.
At the moment changing our life dramatically. Our idea of normal public life, of social together, all this is put on a hard probe as never before. Millions of you cannot go to work. Your children can't go to school. Theater, cinema is closed. And what may be the hardest, we miss meetings, we miss closeness, encounters that are otherwise usual. Of course, everybody is worried now about the future. Today I address you by this unusual way. I would like to inform you about what guides me and the government. This is part of an open, transparent democracy. We want to explain political decisions. We want to give reasons and communication for our actions. I truly believe that we can pass this task if all citizens understand that it is their job, their task. Let me tell you, it is serious.